Klein Tools Utility Staple Starter provides a safe, faster, and more efficient way to install ground wire on utility poles. The stapler is uniquely designed to work with Klein Tools utility staples. Traditional methods for installing ground wire to utility poles can be slow and cumbersome. Loose staples get dropped when being handled with bulky lineman gloves. This can cause a potential safety hazard for people and equipment on the job site. Positioning staples onto the pole can result in hit fingers and punctured work gloves. Klein's heavy-duty utility staple starter is designed to hold and dispense utility staples. Use the stapler to get the staple started on the pole quickly and safely. The top loading feature allows for quick staple reload and less drop staples. The stapler automatically loads the next staple for smoother operation. It can accommodate 35 to 40 staples to finish installation on one pole in one session. The stapler works with both Klein Tools heavy-duty staples as well as other utility staples on the market. For optimal performance, use Klein Tools staples. Klein Tools staples feature a hybrid design that fits all ground wire sizes and ground molding, reducing the number of staples needed to carry. Save time on the pole since you're not switching between staple sizes anymore. The staples come collated into packs of 15 to minimize loading time. Loose staples are also available for traditional installation. Save time, reduce safety hazards, and carry less with Klein's Utility Staple Starter.